Echo 5 Foxtrot, this is Hitman 2 Actual. You are approved to engage in 5 mics.
So we're back in the Anderson booth. You guys know, now people will say things all the time, but we all know that the greatest little secret in the gun industry is Anderson lowers. Everyone's got them, everyone knows who they are, they run, they've been in the industry for a long time, but what a lot of people don't know is they've also been making bolt actions for a long time too, but now we might have something that people are going to talk about. You want to talk about this one?
Yes, sir. So Trey, just like you said, we've been making bolt actions for a lot of different companies for years now, and we decided to throw our hat in the ring. Our bolt action, we're trying to launch by April and May time frame. It'll be a barreled action, 700 pattern, smooth as butter. And yeah, we're just excited to get into the PRS world, Trey.
So for someone like myself who shoots PRS, having something like this, you sit there and say, we know they've been using, a lot of people are using the bolt actions for a long time. For Anderson to say, hey, we're going to throw our own in here, this is exciting. This is a step that Anderson's probably maybe a little nervous at first because it is something that's completely different than what you guys are doing. But I love the idea of saying, hey, we're going to take a chance. We might as well throw our name on it, throw our hat in the ring. If this isn't as beautiful as anyone thinks, then you're crazy. This is going to be a beautiful rifle. I personally would love to get my hands on it and maybe shoot some PRS with it, but I think that this could be a game changer for someone out there that knows Anderson, know the quality you're going to get with them. Now they're throwing their hat in the ring with a bolt action. This is one of the most exciting things I've seen at SHOT Show. I don't know about anybody else, but I think the idea of Anderson bolt action is awesome. So, Kyle, thank you so much for letting me do this.
You, Trey.
Thanks for what you guys are doing at Anderson. I love you guys. Good friends of the channel and all of that. Good friends of mine. We kind of hung out a little bit last night at the Marine Party and had a good time. But yeah, thanks for coming out. Guys, go check out Anderson Manufacturing. See what they got. You guys know the whole line of the lowers and everything they've got. But check out the Kiger 9, and obviously coming here soon will be the bolt action rifle. So looking forward to seeing that. Guys, get out to the range. Be more proficient with your firearms. Till then, Semper Fi.
Semper Fi.